world fraught with confusion, one man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator, and today I'd like to talk to you about how I stay organized when I'm dealing with multiple creators. I'm going to take you through 3 different examples of ways that I do with a couple current content creators that I work with, but it kind of depends on you, what works best for you, whether it's a Word document, it might be notes, it might be a Google document, it might be an Excel spreadsheet. Sometimes it's dependent upon the content creators. They may have a method that they use and they share that with you. So in the first example, India Delgado has created a notes document that she shares with me and one other moderator. We can all make changes to it and it's constantly kept updated. In this document, she has her contact links, her domain links, all of her affiliate links, her websites. She even has in the bottom here listed the links to the platforms that she streams to. So when we get ready to do a stream, all I have to do is click on those links and it opens up the windows for those platforms so that I don't have to go looking and all that stuff. So it's really convenient for stuff like that. So another content creator that I work with is Adrian Salisbury, and he runs the Ecamm Academy, a YouTube Academy, and several others. Now he has a document on a Google Drive that I have access to, but I can't change. And so in that document, he has all of his links for all the different academies that he works with, his affiliate links, social media contact lists, some Ecamm groups that he refers back to. And again, that resides on a Google Drive. And they update it as anytime there's any changes, in any of the links. So all I have to do is go to that document and refer to it. And I'll pull links off and add them into my Stream Deck or text expander, as I showed you on one of my previous episodes. So that's the way Adrian works. Now, another group that I work with is Building Blocks. And in Building Blocks case, Annan Fulgens will send me links for the upcoming episodes. We have a Slack channel that we communicate on. And for the upcoming episode, they'll give me an idea of what the episode is about, some of the things they're going to be covering, if there's anything special that they're going to be covering that I may need to go out and find some information or some links on my own. But they pretty much give me all the necessary links that are required for the episode. Now, I don't have a document for them, anything physical. It's all on a Slack channel. So what I do with them is I have created a Word document. And I add to this frequently and remove stuff constantly, but it has all of their links and things that I need in this document. And frequently they'll send me a link to something and I'll hang on to that link in the document just in case we need it again in a future episode, because there are certain things that do come around, every so often. So I'll hang on to those links. So that's 3 ways that I go about staying organized and keeping track of stuff. But as I said, you have to figure out what works for you, because it's going to be a combination of what the content creator is providing you and how you want to work. So whether it's a notes document, a Word document, a Google Drive document, or an Excel spreadsheet, whatever works for you is what you should use to help you stay organized when you're working with content creators. I hope this has helped today. And as always, if you need me to clarify anything, put it in the comments below. If you have topics for one of the upcoming episodes that you would like me to cover, put that in the comments too. I'm here to help you understand how to be a better moderator. And with that, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.